Have you ever cut yourself and watched in amazement as your body healed the wound? It's a process that happens so naturally, yet it's nothing short of extraordinary. Our bodies are incredible machines, capable of repairing themselves in ways that might seem like magic. When you get a cut, your body immediately springs into action. Blood cells rush to the site to form a clot and stop the bleeding. This is just the beginning. Over the next few days, your body works tirelessly to repair the damage. New cells are generated to replace the ones that were lost, and before you know it, the wound is just a memory. Every day, without us even realizing it, our bodies are hard at work repairing damage and keeping us healthy. This process is happening all the time, whether we're awake or asleep. From tiny cuts to broken bones, our bodies have an amazing ability to bounce back. When a bone breaks, the body forms a blood clot around the break to protect it. Then, special cells called osteoblasts create new bone tissue to heal the break. This process of self-repair, known as regeneration, is a fundamental part of what keeps us alive and functioning. It's not just about healing injuries, it's also about maintaining our overall health. It's a fascinating journey into the microscopic world of cells, tissues, and organs, all working together to mend and restore. Each cell has a specific role to play, and they communicate with each other to ensure everything goes smoothly. Understanding how our bodies heal themselves can give us a new appreciation for the wonders of our own biology. It's a reminder of how resilient and adaptable we are, and how much we rely on these unseen processes to keep us going every day. Regeneration is simply the body's way of fixing itself. Think of it like this. Your body is like a house, and sometimes things break or get damaged. Regeneration is like the repair crew that comes in to fix the leaky roof, replace the broken window, or patch up the hole in the wall. This process happens all the time, whether we're aware of it or not. Every time we get a cut, a bruise, or even a sunburn, our bodies are working to repair the damage. It's a complex process that involves many different parts of the body, but it's also remarkably efficient and effective. Cells are the tiny building blocks that make up our bodies. They're like miniature factories, each with a specific job to do. When it comes to healing, certain cells are responsible for repairing damage. For example, skin cells work quickly to close up wounds, while bone cells create new bone tissue to mend fractures. These cells are like the construction workers of the body, diligently repairing and rebuilding damaged structures. Cells don't work in isolation. They are the fundamental building blocks of life, but their true power is revealed when they come together to form more complex structures. They're organized into tissues, which are groups of similar cells that perform a specific function. These tissues are like specialized teams, each with a unique role to play in the body. For instance, muscle tissue helps us move. When you lift weights or go for a run, it's your muscle tissue that's hard at work, contracting and relaxing to produce movement, while nervous tissue sends signals throughout the body. This tissue is like the body's communication network, transmitting information from the brain to various parts of the body and back. Organs like the heart, lungs, and liver are made up of different tissues that work together. Each organ is a complex system with multiple tissues collaborating to perform vital functions. When an organ is injured, multiple tissues may be involved in the healing process. This is a coordinated effort, much like a team of specialists coming together to solve a problem. Think of it like this: if a pipe bursts in your house, the damage isn't limited to just the plumbing. You might need a plumber to fix the pipe, ensuring that the water flow is restored and the leak is stopped. An electrician to check the wiring, making sure that no electrical systems were damaged by the water. And a carpenter to repair the wall, restoring the structural integrity of your home. Similarly, healing a complex injury might involve different types of cells and tissues working together. Just like a team of professionals, each cell and tissue type has a specific role, contributing to the overall healing process. This intricate collaboration ensures that our bodies can recover and function optimally, showcasing the incredible power of teamwork at a microscopic level. The immune system plays a crucial role in healing. It's like the body's security system, protecting us from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. When we get injured, the immune system springs into action to fight off infection and help with the repair process. White blood cells, the soldiers of the immune system, rush to the site of injury to destroy any germs that may have entered the body. They also release chemicals that reduce inflammation and promote healing. Our bodies are capable of regenerating many different types of tissues. This incredible ability is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the human body. From the smallest cut to the most severe injuries, our bodies have mechanisms in place to repair and restore damaged tissues. A simple cut, for example, triggers a cascade of events that leads to the formation of a blood clot. This clot acts as a barrier to prevent further bleeding and infection. The process is swift and efficient, ensuring that the body can quickly move on to the next stage of healing. Following the clot formation, the body initiates the growth of new skin cells to close the wound. These cells multiply and spread across the wound, gradually covering it and restoring the skin's integrity. This process can be observed in a time-lapse, showcasing the body's remarkable ability to heal itself. Broken bones are another example of the body's remarkable ability to heal itself. When a bone fractures, the body immediately begins a complex healing process to restore the bone's structure and function. When a bone fractures, special cells called fibroblasts create a callus. This callus is a temporary structure that acts like a bridge, holding the broken ends of the bone together. It provides stability and support during the initial stages of healing. The callus is like a temporary bridge that holds the broken ends together. Over time, this callus undergoes a transformation, gradually being replaced by new bone tissue. This process ensures that the bone regains its original strength and functionality. Over time, this callus is replaced by new bone tissue. The new bone tissue is carefully laid down by specialized cells, ensuring that the bone heals properly. This process can take several weeks to months, depending on the severity of the fracture. Eventually, the bone is restored to its original strength. The newly formed bone tissue integrates seamlessly with the existing bone, making it as strong as it was before the injury. This remarkable process highlights the body's ability to heal and regenerate. Even internal organs have some capacity for regeneration. This ability is crucial for maintaining the body's overall health and functionality. Different organs have varying degrees of regenerative capacity, with some being more adept at healing than others. The liver, for instance, is known for its remarkable ability to regenerate after injury or surgery. This organ can regrow lost tissue, ensuring that it continues to perform its vital functions. The liver's regenerative capacity is a key factor in its ability to recover from damage and maintain the body's metabolic balance. The human body is a marvel of engineering, capable of self-repair in ways that continue to amaze scientists and doctors. From the tiniest cut to the most complex surgery, our bodies possess an incredible ability to heal and regenerate. Understanding how this process works can give us a newfound appreciation for the resilience and adaptability of the human body. So the next time you get a scrape or a bruise, remember the amazing healing powers at work beneath the surface, constantly working to keep you healthy and whole.